Today, the Education Minister, Shri Rakaman Rumboy, informs that recommendations were submitted to the committee headed by the Chief Minister for reopening of schools and colleges from 1st September 2021.
Today we had a meeting in the Education Department where we have decided to recommend to the committee headed by the Chief Minister that the schools and college could be opened from the 1st of September 2021. Our recommendation will be like this: for the college, both urban and rural, they will open, all will be open. For class 9, 10, 11 and 12, both urban and rural, they can open. 6, 7, 8 for urban, school visit, and for rural, they can open. And for the class 1 to class 5, for urban, we'll continue the system of online like this, but for the rural area, they can start with the school visit. So this we have decided to recommend to the committee for its approval, that from the 1st of September will open. Then all the modalities will be given after the approval of the High Court Committee.